Let me introduce you a Navigate Tool component from the Machine Preview feature. SolidCAM 2022 Select and Navigate Tool component feature in Toolkit's Machine Preview allows fast and easy jump to particular tool in Toolkit Tool Tree. It is essential for complex Mill-Turn and Swiss-Type machines with rotary and linear turret type. Let me show you how you can use this function. Click on a toolkit and then choose Machine Preview button. Right-click on a tool component you would like to navigate and choose Select Tool Component command. The component immediately became active in Toolkit Tree. Please note, you can choose any type of tool component you need. For example, it could be a cutter itself, or it could be a holder, or even complex attachment. SolidCAM enables quick navigation even for components inside holder with complex structure. Here we can see one main holder. I can choose it. Here it is. And several types of holders inside it. For example, I can choose this one and I will find it very quickly inside tool tree. Or I can choose a cutter inside this holder and we'll jump to it very quickly. In addition, as you can see, tool component will be highlighted. Navigate tool component from the Machine Preview feature makes tool definition very easy.